GST registration isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous declaration. Today, we're decoding core and non-core amendments under the CGST Act. Under Section 28 and Rule 19, any change in your business particulars must be intimated within 15 days using Form GST Reg 14. Core fields include your legal name, principal place of business, and directors or partners. These affect your legal identity and require proper officer approval. If the officer doesn't act within 15 working days, your amendment is deemed approved. This ensures business continuity despite administrative delays. Non-core fields like email, mobile number, or authorized signatory are auto-approved. But don't ignore them. They control where you receive OTPs and notices. Changing your PAN? That's not an amendment. You need a fresh registration. Also, remember that retrospective amendments are generally not permitted. Failure to update can attract a residual penalty up to 50,000 rupees under Section 125. Keep your data clean to avoid unnecessary disputes. Stay compliant and ensure your GST portal reflects your business reality. Thanks for watching.